Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create another 3D glass top Teapoy design in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. First go drawing units, UN enter, length type decimal, precision 0, insertion scale, set unit, millimeters, okay. Go view control, select top, go visual style control, select 2D wireframe, okay. Go circle, C enter, center point, radius 225, enter, okay. Go line, L enter, first point, next point, circle, C enter, center point, radius 5 mm, enter, line, L enter, create first point, create line, enter. Go array, pole array, select line, enter, center point, items, 3 items, enter, okay, enter, select array set, explode, okay. Now go view control, select SW isometric, line, L enter, first point, height 470, enter, exit, circle, C enter, center point, radius 300, enter, line, L enter, create line, okay, array, pole array, select line, center point, items, 10 items, enter, enter, okay. Go line, L enter, first point, next point, okay, exit, select array set, delete, okay, circle, delete. Now go surface, go sweep, select object, select lines, enter, enter. Go twist 2800, enter, select path, okay. Now select surface, explode, okay, delete these lines, delete, delete, okay. Delete these lines. Again go circle, C enter, center point, radius 5, repeat circle, radius 5, repeat circle, radius 5, okay. Now go home tab, select sweep, select circle, enter, select path, okay. Repeat sweep, select circle, enter, enter, select path, okay. Repeat sweep, select circle, enter, enter, select path, okay. Again go pole array, select object, enter, center point, items, 10 items, enter, enter, okay. Go visual style control, select shaded, okay. Let's see, visual style control, select 2D wireframe, select array set, go isolate object, height object, okay, offset or enter, distance 15 mm, okay, enter, select circle, line, circle, unisolate object, height object. Okay, now go press full. Extrusion height 25 millimeter. Okay, enter. Go z-axis vector, click here, auto on, click here. Okay, again go press full, select. Okay, extrusion height 25 millimeter, enter. Okay, move and enter, select object 10 millimeter. Okay, now go solid, fillet edge, radius 3 millimeter, enter. Select edge, enter, enter. Repeat fillet edge, radius 3 millimeter. Okay, select edge. Okay, enter, enter. Go home tab, select UCS word. Okay, now go unisolate object, end object isolation, go circle, C enter, center point, click here, radius 335, enter. Okay, again go extrude, select circle, enter. Extrusion height 10 millimeter. Okay, now go solid, chamfer edge, distance 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter. Select edge. Okay, enter, enter. Go more and enter. Select object, enter. More down 15 millimeter. Okay, delete line, delete. Now go visual style control, shaded, it's okay. Now go home tab, select UCS word. Okay, go view control, select SW isometric. Okay, go visual style control, select 2D wireframe, select array set, explode. Okay, now go material browser, select AutoCAD library, glass, blue reflective, glazing, select drag and drop, AutoCAD library, select stone, fine polish white, select drag and drop, AutoCAD library, metal, select stainless polished, drag and drop. Okay, edit fine polish stone, click here, quick image, sample size 450, enter. Okay, close, select object, select, go material browser, stainless polish, assign to selection, select glass top, blue glazing, assign to selection. Okay, now go view control, select top, plane surface, okay, now go view control, select SW isometric, select plane surface, move 15 millimeter. Okay, visual style control, shaded, it's okay. visual style control, 2D wireframe, select surface, right click, assign to selection, fine polished. Okay, let's see. Realistic. Okay, exit from material browser, go visualize, go render environment, turn on environment, use custom background tick, background click, select solid, click color. Okay, close. Now go render size, select full HD TV, right click here, select perspective, set enter, zoom window. Okay, now go render. It's not good, close. Again go render environment, rotation 30, enter. Okay, close. Again render. It's okay. Okay, it's okay. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.